We're on a cross-country adventure, motorhome style.
Trying to maintain 47 miles an hour.
Today, we're in Wyoming.
You gotta pee like a pregnant girl?
You should probably be in a bikini.
This is a cockroach?
And it's pretty.
This is a wallpaper, Reese. This is sap right here. Get it for your pancakes, man.
Come along with us as we explore the Grand Tetons in Jackson Hole. Let's do it.
You think that'll happen?
Driving from Mount Rushmore to Wyoming here. This trip is full of hills and today, unwelcome strong winds. Wyoming saying don't come here.
And some wind's pouring out of there.
I feel like you're driving a billboard.
It's like I'm driving a sail. It's like I'm driving a parasailer and it's just pushing everywhere.
Oh my gosh. Just like the boat, the last leg of the trip and the most difficult.
Exactly what happens. Weather always gets rough right at the end. This wind coming straight on the bow. Our bow is shaped like a huge billboard.
Besides pushing you all over the place, the wind is coming right at us. It's actually strong enough to decrease our speed, which is crazy.
We're at 80% trying to maintain 47 miles an hour with a 450 horsepower engine.
Some powerful wind.
Yeah, it's probably blowing 30. So it's probably blowing 30. We're moving ahead of 45. So that's 75 mile an hour winds you're driving into, you know?
Oh yeah. Crazy. It's okay. It just slows us down a bit. Oh, and uses more fuel. Our motorhome is 44 feet long. It's a big one. So it happens from time to time. I wonder if like the valleys, like the spaces between these peaks are making it worse.
Yeah, I'm sure. The wind's like moving through them.
We're coming into a little town where we'll set up at a KOA for the night. Tomorrow, we're going exploring. Good morning. Still pregnant here. I'm almost 7 months along. Since the motorhome is so big, we keep it at a KOA and just drive the Jeep to go exploring. It's really cool having a tow vehicle to get you out there. Coming into the Grand Tetons in Wyoming now. This is so pretty.
You gotta pee like a pregnant girl?
Oh my gosh, potty break for real.
I have found you
Oh,
a luxurious restroom.
Thank you for that.
Front row seating. I'm gonna park, we're gonna pee too.
Okay.
I'll let you go since I know that she's sitting on your bladder.
Oh yeah. I just went pee an hour ago. I wonder how many times I actually pee a day. It's a lot.
Oh man, I can hardly walk.
I appreciate these little stops, especially when the baby is sitting right on my bladder, like right now.
Oh yeah, this is just lovely.
Hover. It's more like an outhouse.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That was the longest pee ever. Look at those mountains. We've got some serious peaks here. The plan is to go check out some waterfalls via a ferry that takes you across the lake. Sounds cool.
Crowded here.
It's very crowded.
Popular spot.
I'm
What's
gonna
the
hit
deal?
the bathroom one more time.
Why do they have claws on their hands?
That way they can eat their fish and stuff. Would you like to ever meet a grizzly out there? In the wild? Oh yeah?
Brave kid. Or a confused kid. You can either take a 2.5 mile hike around the lake or take a shuttle boat. I think we'll do the boat.
Why?
Well, you know, I get lots of tightening. Normally I'd walk. And then once you get there, it's a 1/2 mile to a mile hike up to a waterfall if we choose to do that. So we'll just kind of go with the flow and see how it goes. And
Let's do it.
you got us into the park for free with Veteran.
Yeah.
Do you think you could get us free boat tickets?
I doubt it.
You should probably be in a bikini. Hey, it works for me. Welcome to the Grand Tetons in Wyoming.
Hey, this book's name is Calypso.
Yeah.
Gotta have the name.
No, I have a friend.
Oh, watch out. I got it. Oh, it's hiding from you now. Look, just flick it. Oh, he's leaving. What was it?
I'm not sure.
Is it a cockroach?
This boat's name is a Mercy.
This boat serves as a quick ferry over to some hiking trails located on the other side of the lake.
My name's Sam. I'll be taking you across to Cascade Canyon.
I'm not sure how we're gonna be able to stay on the trail. It's not marked very well.
Yeah, right.
This is the wallpaper, Reese.
The paths are easily navigated, besides a bit of elevation changes, and it's ridiculously beautiful.
How do you think Mom's doing?
Good.
Doing great for being almost 7 months pregnant, huh?
Yeah.
We're almost at the Hidden Falls, and then that's all we're gonna see, and then we'll turn around and go back. This is like Star Wars.
All right, according to my watch, we should be here.
Well, that's it right over there. But that's coming from a spring, Reese.
Fresh water.
Yeah, that
Get some
comes from.
water.
Look, this is sap right here coming out of the tree.
Is that what makes
Syrup.
Yes.
You wanna touch it?
Yeah.
Touch the wet part. See what it feels like.
Ah, it's very weird, like syrupy.
Yeah, it's sticky, right?
You can see it dried up right there.
Can I get some of this and make us
Get it for your pancakes, man.
Okay.
It's amazing to think that that place was man-made.
What are you talking about?
It was very nice. That's a big hose up there pushing all that water down.
Yeah, no kidding.
The waters are fed by glaciers. They're so clear and pretty. We took the ferry back and we're headed to Jackson Hole, enjoying the scenery along the way.
What'd you think of that?
Good.
Yeah? Almost 2 miles total walking from the drop-off point where Jeremiah dropped us off to the falls. The trails go way up into the mountain. There's some serious hiking going on. If I wasn't pregnant, we probably would have partaked a little bit more. But that was tough with the elevation. I think we got up to 6,700 feet in elevation. So combine that with not being around here, being pregnant, it was a little hard to breathe, but coming back down was a little easier. We're gonna head over to Jackson Hole and check out the area, including Jackson City.
Jackson Hole, Wyoming, a vacation spot for many, as well as a home to several celebrities, to include Nikki Sixx of Motley Crue and Indiana Jones himself, Harrison Ford.
What do they feel like?
Smooth.
Yeah.
Would these give splinters?
No, don't yank it, man. I don't want all these to fall down on us. You think that'll happen?
Maybe.
What do you think of Jackson, Wyoming?
Good.
Yeah, it's pretty nice, right?
Yeah, I'm not used to it, but
Mom, what do you think of Jackson?
It's very cute, quaint. I love how everything's kind of like in one area. I think down the road they have grocery stores and stuff like that, so
Yeah.
it could be very touristy. But for the people that live here, they have normal stuff.
Reese, what have you been always saying to us for some weird reason that we don't ever understand?
moo. And the
Okay.
best ice cream thing here is named Moose.
Right, Reese always says, he always says this thing, moo, hey, moo, whatever. It's just a little thing. And we found out today when we were eating that the ice cream shop here is named
Moo.
So let's go check it out.
We love finding famous little spots along our travels, and we really love ice cream. Moo's Ice Cream, a seriously expensive ice cream shop, but it was also very good ice cream. We waited in a long line, grabbed a seat, and enjoyed some yummy flavors before heading back to the RV for the night.
I also cream vanilla. Sprinkles with chocolate chip and flowers.
How is it?
Apple, cinnamon, and creme brulee.
How can you go wrong there? Don't judge me. Coming up,
Can't help but admire your butt poking out there.
Hit Old Faithful, geysers,
I can feel the heat. It only doesn't blast up. That would suck.
go to the hot springs. Really does look like the Bahamas.
we're taking you to a famous volcanic region,
We're gonna make it out of here. I don't really know where we are. What'd you think of that buffalo?
It was really cool. I'm surprised they could charge at us.
then we're off to watch some cowboys. Giddy up!
Second time in a row, we've gotten kicked out.
This is Afghanistan all over again.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.